So before this video gets started, if you're interested in signing up for PostMates, I have a referral code down below. It's a special custom referral code that you can use to sign up for PostMates, and you can start making tons of money, get cash bonuses, get your guaranteed earnings amount. Demands are through the roof. $100, $50 tips per order, I'm talking. Use my referral code down below. Now let's get started with today's video, and let's talk about cash bonuses with PostMates. Let's get started. Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel, the Rideshare Hub, a place for gig economy workers to come together and learn how to make more money. So in today's video, this is a breaking news video, is PostMates actually just launched bonuses for delivery drivers. So both for people who refer new drivers and for people who sign up. So this is really huge, important news. And if you need a new way to make money, PostMates is really awesome. I'm a PostMates driver. I've done PostMates before, and it's honestly pretty easy. And when I actually signed up, I got a $50 bonus for doing one delivery. Guys, all you need to do is one delivery. Get started, do one delivery. So yeah, let's get right into the video. So, wow, this lighting is like really dark for some reason. Okay, so here we go. Let me just sync up my phone here, and then we can all go through this together. So, yeah, 150 referral redemption. So if you guys see this right here, I just got this email. It goes referral code used. So I got one person to use my referral code. They go, a new postman in New Orleans just redeemed your referral code. If your referral completes 75 deliveries in New Orleans within 30 days of sign up, you will receive a reward payout of 150 bucks. So they're giving out money like crazy, guys. And honestly, PostMates, there's so much news going on with PostMates. I mean, $150 bonus? That's good money. That's really good money. So yeah, let's just go to PostMates and see what's going on in the news. So I'm gonna click on Safari in 3, 2, 1, click. And here you guys go. Look at this. Who to tip and how much for doorstep deliveries during the pandemic. Yeah. Halsey and Marshmallow just teamed up with PostMates. Subway teams up with PostMates. PostMates is doing really, really well. And if you guys don't know, demand for PostMates right now is huge. And also people are leaving $50 tips, $60 tips. I'm not even joking. Even I've seen $100 tips. It's insane. It's actually absolutely insane. And maybe I could just show you guys the bonus that I just received from PostMates as well. I should have the Fleet app in here somewhere. Oh, there it is. Okay, so here it is, guys. Here's my app. So as you can see right here, I have $54 in payouts, and I only did one delivery. And guys, I haven't referred anyone, so this is not on referrals or anything. This is actually from a bonus that I got. Yeah, it was pretty nuts. So from one delivery, I got $54. And yeah. So honestly, here, let me show you guys. It's honestly really dope. So PostMate, it's called Refer-O-Rama. So more referrals, more cash bonuses, guys. So the launching cash bonuses. Make more than ever with new referral bonuses. And I think the reason they're doing this, guys, because they want to give new drivers a really, they want to incentivize new drivers to sign up, because there's so much demand and there's so many people. And I think PostMates is also venturing into grocery deliveries too. So, you know, if you sign up to be a PostMates driver, yeah, look at this. You might do groceries, you might do other stuff too, mostly restaurants, but look at this. Not only will you earn if your friends complete their first 30 deliveries, we are now giving you a cash bonus if any of your friends complete one delivery within 7 days of redeeming your referral code. So guys, you only need to do one delivery. And if you also want to refer other people too, you definitely can. There's no limit to the amount of people you can refer or money you can earn. There's no limit, guys. It's unlimited earnings. Gosh dang, how the cash bonuses work. Here we go. Earn a cash bonus based on the amount of friends you refer. Refer 20, I mean, this is just absolutely insane. But guys, again, I highly recommend doing PostMates. It's a really easy way to earn money. Yeah, the best money saving tips where to order ice cream. You might be delivering ice cream. You can get a free pint of ice cream through Postmates right now. Postmates strike. Okay, well, maybe not that. I don't know if you guys want to strike or not. I think some of those strikes are a little ridiculous, but I mean, there's just so much going on with Postmates right now. Yeah, 7-Eleven expands delivery options with DoorDash Postmates. You can order food, wine. There's so much going on right now. Postmates add childcare stipend for struggling delivery workers. Childcare stipend, guys. If you have kids and you need a stipend for your childcare, there you go. Postmates is doing some incredible things, and honestly, it's a no-brainer. If you need some money right now, Postmates is one of the best ways to make money. If my friend asked me, hey, what's the best way to make money right now? I'm like, well, if you want to I was like, well, Postmates is giving out cash bonuses. So guys, definitely check out Postmates. That's all I have for today's video. I want to keep it short and sweet because I know your time is valuable and time is money. So sign up for Postmates, use my link in the description down below, and I will talk to you all soon. Have a great day, guys. Bye.